Hi, I'm Jennifer and I'm so happy you're here because I'm making one of my most favorite recipes of all time today, my daughter's white chicken chili. It is absolutely delicious and I love making it every chance I get. So today I wanted to share the recipe with you so you could make it as well. I know you'll love it as much as we do. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. I'm going to start by adding chicken broth, green chilies, corn, black beans, Rotel, and a ranch salad seasoning packet. Then I'm going to add a layer of frozen chicken breast to the crock pot. I'll add in cumin, chili powder, and onion powder. This recipe goes together so quickly and so easily. You just dump everything in right on top of the chicken. Just give it a little stir right on top of the chicken and leave the chicken in the bottom. We'll put the lid on and cook it on low for 6 to 8 hours. Then we'll take the chicken out and shred it up with a couple of forks and put it back in. About a half an hour before you're ready to serve it, go ahead and lay a block of room temperature cream cheese right on top of the soup and put the lid back on. Now all you have to do is stir it up really well. Stir in that block of cream cheese and then it's ready to serve. We love to serve ours with shredded cheddar cheese on top along with some cornbread on the side. I am so glad you're here. I appreciate it so much. It's always fun making recipes with you. And I would be so happy if you hit the like button and subscribe. And don't forget to check out the recipe listed below. And I'll see you next time.